Built in 1875 during a post-Civil War boom of school construction, the Sollman School in Snake Run played an important role in the daily life of the small Gibson County farming community outside of Fort Branch. Beyond serving as the local school, the building functioned as a venue for events and civic gatherings. The school's tenure ended in 1927 when the Sollman School consolidated with the nearby Fort Branch system. Local families continued to use the site as a woodshop, but years later the former school now stands vacant, showing the effects of decades of disuse. Picturesque even in its decay, a modest white frame building with simple classical details and bell tower, the landmark continues to be a favorite in the community. Gibson County leaders are interested in moving the school and restoring it as a field trip destination, but they don't have funds for such an ambitious endeavor. In a rural community with limited resources, raising the money will be a significant challenge. In the meantime, deterioration continues to take a growing toll on the county's only remaining one-room school.